This is day 3 of trading the 10K challenge. The first trade of the day, trading the London silver bullet. I took this GBP USD. As you can see, I have my Asian high there, Asian low, and then we have relatively equal lows, or probably equal lows. They're probably equal lows, So the state of them, so I'm expecting price actually sweep all this, all these 3 lows here. I'm expecting price actually come here and sweep them before it actually goes sweep that buy side, but it might just sweep the buy side first and then continue to go down and sweep everybody up, just to take out everybody who has been profitable here. But other than that, I took a sell. I took a sell somewhere right here. First TP targeting this equal lows. My SL just right above that, just resting above that buy side liquidity. I know it's a risky SL. Price might go up there and sweep that buy side liquidity. But yeah, that's the trade that I took. And also a second TP. I have it all the way down to that sell side liquidity too. So that's the London silver bullet trade that I have for the day, using those exit point, using this CB on the 5 minute, using that CB on the 5 minute for my entry to sell. Took this as a classic 2022 model and Asian range, and then manipulation, and then I'm just waiting for the distribution or displacement, as you may call it. So yeah, the power 3. So yeah, I'm just gonna wait and see how that plays out, and then catch up with you guys later on. Quick update. Now it's the New York session. Update on the GBP USD trade. As you can see, I did take a sell here in the morning. Let me just quickly switch to a 5 minute time frame. As you can see, I did take a sell on this one. As you can see, I had my TP at the relatively equal low, or the Asian low, as I'd call it. So that's where I put my TP. And then the second one, it was way below on that swing low there. I had a second TP there, so I exited. I took partial here, 50% of the trade, and then I broke even on the second trade, which actually went back up. Broke even, and as you can see, it went up. So that was the trade on GBP USD for today. And the next trade that I took gold. I took a gold trade. As you can see how it went out, I saw this order block here on the 5 minute. As you can see, it's an order block. So I decided to take that buy. My first TP was here on this buy side liquidity, and then as you can see, the last TP was over there, which triggered me. And then I think the reason why I took partials there, because it's a fair value gap on a higher time frame. It's an efficiency, as you can see. Just make sure that I take all my profit, 50% of the inefficiency. As you can see, we have this CB here, and my TP was just resting up on that 50%. So that's how the gold trade went. And currently now I am holding a GBP CAD trade, a buy I'm holding a buy here now. I just entered not long ago. As you can see, I entered there. This is a order block, H4 order block. As you can see, it is a H4 order block. And yeah, I actually missed the trade to actually enter right below there. So I just waited for price to come back, filling this 15-minute BC for me to actually consider, buying it, getting another entry. So yeah, that's the position that I'm holding at the moment. First TP, I'll take partials here, and then maybe I'll take more here. I'll take 50% here, 70% here, and then I'll take out everything when it gets to that the Asian high. So that's the trade I am holding currently. And also looking at NAS, I missed a good opportunity, selling opportunity on NAS. You can see we have the Asian low, our London high, then there's the CB that I had on the 30 minutes. There's a 30-minute CB, which I hesitated. I don't know why I hesitated to take this trade. I was actually supposed to take it exactly at 9:30 New York time. This was, as you can see, this was 9:30. I wanted to take it there, but I hesitated for some reason, and it played out. And then I was waiting for it to actually reverse, come back to that CB so I can sell, which it did. Just tap in, as you can see there, just tapped in. This reversed then tapped in, but for some reason I was still hesitating to take the trade. I just kind of didn't feel comfortable. I don't know why I did not take the trade, but I honestly don't really regret it. It was just a matter of just feeling comfortable to take a trade. If I felt some type of way, just let the market. So I just decided to just tape read it. As you can see, it was a very nice play out. Also came into this order block, which is I think it's a 15-minute order block. Is it? Oh yeah, it's a 3-minute order block. It came into that 3-minute order block, as you can see, a bearish order block. Now taking all took out London low, waiting for it to actually take Asian low. So that was gonna be my final take profit if I did take the trade. So it's finally gonna take out Asia low. So that was that for the day. And then going to the update on, as you can see, this was GBP USD. There's the sell that I had the sell there. As you can see, it took one here, and then that one hit TP down there, and then the second one that I was holding actually broke even, so I clocked profits. So either way, it was a successful trade. And then the other trade was gold. As you can see also here, I took that buy here, and then flex take profit there, flex partial, took out 50%, and the last TP was there. So also that was a successful trade. And as you can see on NAS, I didn't take anything. And then yeah, currently holding USD CAD. Took the buys there. My stops resting just below there. I could take it below this low, but I just have them there. If they come there, my trade is invalid, and then my take profits are just above there. But I'm gonna take partials when it gets to this buy side, and also when it gets to this one. Just gonna take the 50%, 75, and then take everything out there. I'll just log profit and hold everything. So that's the update so far. I'll update y'all later today when I wrap up and show you the overall profits or losses for the day. So yeah, I'll catch you on the next update. So this is the update on USD CAD. I just decided to close the trade there. My initial last take profit was on this Asian high, and I was supposed to actually take partials here and also partials there on the London high, but I just held everything and closed everything here. That's the close for the day, to be done for the day. There's the PM session New York. So yeah, that is the update on USD CAD. We had a winning trade. As you can see, I held all the trades that I took, the buys here. As you can see, it went up, came back a little bit just to retest again that order block. Was it an order block that we traded into? No, it was a CB. So it came back to trade back into that CB again, went up, came back to this order block here. As you can see, came back into that order block here, bullish order block, went up. So yeah, that's where I took my profit. So just closed the chart for the day. It's currently around 9 p.m. my time, South African time. New York, it's still 2:30, I think. It's still 2 o'clock. So for me, it's midnight. So I'm just gonna head down to sleep, and we'll see the market the next day. Let me just quickly do a review on how we close in the day on the account analysis. As you can see, for today's profits, we are up 1.9%, and the net this is the net profit with up 3.52%, and the target is 5%. I'm guessing, is it 5%? Yeah, I think it's 5% or 6, but yeah, I think it's 5%. Yeah, 5% target. So we closed there, we close to hitting that target. So this is a complete of day 3. I'll see you guys on day 4. Peace.